Hi guys, so I'm in Taranaki today and I'm going to be doing the Mangorei track up on the Pouakai range, and there should be fantastic views from up there as long as this cloud stays away. The forecast was better, but we'll just see what happens. I'm here at the car park and we're going to go up the Mangorei track up to where the Pouakai Hut is. Apparently that's the most popular one in the Taranaki National Park, and then I'll carry on here to the Tarns, which on a beautiful day you get the reflection of the mountain in them. This first part of the track comes up through private land and just high enough, and can see down there in the distance is New Plymouth, so that's where I stayed last night. Just drove up here now, it's only about 25 minutes drive. I've been walking about half an hour and I've been on the boardwalk the whole way, and I've been talking to people who've been coming down. Those guys got up at dawn to get up to the Tarns in time to see the sunrise and the reflection of Mt Taranaki in those Tarns, but unfortunately for them it was cloudy, so they didn't get to enjoy that view. But it does make me feel a bit better about not having got up at 4 AM as well, and sort of got up there in time for that. These steps just go on, and when I saw on the sign that it was 2.5 hours, 5.9 kilometers, I thought that was kind of generous. But now I've seen these steps and I don't know what speed I'm doing, but it's pretty slow going. This track is so busy. There's day walkers and overnight people coming through. It is Easter weekend, so I guess we should expect that Easter Saturday. After about an hour of walking, I've come out into the open. There's still bush here, but it is quite stunted. You can see the port of New Plymouth down there where those two little peaks are in the tower, and then there's all the farmland between, and around about there's a road, and where the grazing land ends, that's where I'm parked. So just crossing over the saddle below the hut, and on a different day you would see Mt Taranaki up there. Plenty of people about, you can probably hear from the music, and the hut just up there, so I'm going to go to the hut and then carry on to the Tarn. And if I keep turning right around, looking back in that direction towards where New Plymouth is. As you saw, this hut is absolutely full of people having lunch, the day walkers, and I'm going to carry on up to the Tarn and I'll have my lunch there. It's only about 15 more minutes. following the boardwalk down, and there's the Tarn down there. All these people are sitting here, they're waiting. They want to look across the water and look back this way. They're waiting to get the ultimate photo of Taranaki, which is hiding up there in the clouds. So I'm going to stop here and have some lunch. I'll see if the mountain comes out, but I'm not overly optimistic. There's so many people waiting at the Tarn for the mountain to come out, but I'm just watching that cloud and it's coming down lower and lower, so I don't think we're going to see Mt Taranaki today, but never mind, that will be an excuse to come back up here again. Cloud is coming through the saddle there, and the hut is down below that little hill, and New Plymouth is right down there. They're still getting a little bit of sunshine down there, but you can really see why this is such a popular track, because to drive to the start of the track is only half an hour, and then you're straight into it. But just look at all this cloud. The little hills just disappeared. This boardwalk is fantastic, that you'll be able to do this walk in all weathers, but after about 12 kilometres or even sooner than that, it does get really hard on your feet. There's just no give to it, so my feet are feeling quite tired now. Thanks for watching my video today, and if you've enjoyed this one, be sure to check out the Trail Walks playlist, and you'll find different tracks from all over the country